Welcome to Provishekshem. Today, we are going to unlock a mental math superpower, one that's been hidden in ancient Indian texts for centuries. Seriously, forget your calculator, you will not need it where we're going. All right, let's start with a challenge. Take a look at these two numbers, 97 times 96. How would you even start to solve that? You're probably picturing those long multiplication steps in your head, maybe reaching for a pen and paper. But what if there was a ridiculously faster way? And when I say faster, I mean, what if you could do it in under 3 seconds? I know, that sounds completely impossible, doesn't it? It feels like some kind of math magic. But I promise you, it's not magic. It's just a brilliant ancient system. And boom, there's the answer, 9312. I bet some of you are still just writing down the problem. So how on earth did we get there so fast? Well, the secret is literally thousands of years old. This amazing technique is called Nikhilam. It comes from a system you might have heard of called Vedic mathematics, which is all based on these simple, incredibly powerful rules called sutras. The full name of the sutra is a bit of a mouthful, Nikhilam Navatash Karamam Dashata, and all it means is all from 9 and the last from 10. Now, that might sound a little cryptic right now, but trust me, that one little phrase is the entire key to our lightning-fast multiplication trick. You see, this sutra gives us an incredible shortcut for multiplying numbers that are really close to a base, like 100 or 1,000 and so on. Let's break it down into 4 super simple steps using our first example. Okay, step 1. We need to find what are called the deficiencies. Now, since 97 and 96 are both pretty close to 100, we'll use 100 as our base. The deficiency is just a fancy word for how far away each number is from that base. So for 97, how far is it from 100? It's 3 away. And for 96, it's 4 away. So our 2 key numbers here are 3 and 4. Got it? Remember those 2. They are the keys to this entire puzzle. Step 2 is where the real magic happens. It's called cross-subtracting. It's easy. You just take one of your original numbers and you subtract the other number's deficiency. This is going to give you the first part of your final answer. Now, check this out. This is the really cool part. You can either do 97 minus 4, or you can do 96 minus 3. See that? No matter which way you do it, you get 93. It always works. So that number, 93, that's the left side of our answer. All right, now we need the right side of the answer. Step 3 is even easier. You just multiply those 2 deficiencies we found right back in step 1. Our deficiencies were 3 and 4, remember? So we just multiply them. 3 times 4 gives us 12. And that's it. That's the right side of our final answer. And now for the final step, which is honestly the easiest of them all. We just put the 2 pieces of our puzzle together. There's no carrying numbers, no weird addition. You just join them. So we take our left side, which was 93, and our right side, which was 12. We just stick them together, and what do you get? 9312. Exactly the answer we saw at the very beginning. 4 simple steps, and you've solved it. Amazing, right? Okay, that was pretty slick, wasn't it? But what about bigger numbers? Let's try another one, because there is one more key detail you absolutely need to master to make this work every time. Let's try multiplying 994 by 998. The nearest base here isn't 100 anymore. It's 1,000. So we do the same thing, find the deficiencies from 1,000. That gives us 6 and 2. Easy enough. Now we just follow the same steps. For the left side, we cross-subtract. 994 minus 2 is 992. Easy. For the right side, multiply the deficiencies. 6 times 2 is 12. So, is the answer 99212? Well, not quite. And here it is. This is the crucial rule. The number of digits on the right side of your answer must match the number of zeros in your base. Our base was 1,000, right? That has 3 zeros. But our result, 12, only has 2 digits. So what do? We just add a 0 in front to make it 012. So when we join our 2 parts, we get 992 and 012. The final answer is 992,012. See how that works? That little rule about the zeros is what makes the system so powerful and reliable for any base. Let's do one more lightning round just to lock this in. 88 times 98. What's the base? 100. Deficiencies are 12 and 2. Cross-subtract. 88 minus 2 is 86. Multiply deficiencies. 12 times 2 is 24. slap them together, 8624. Done. It really is that fast once you get the hang of it. Just imagine having this tool in your back pocket during a timed exam. The speed and accuracy you can get from this are a massive advantage. This isn't just some clever party trick. It's a practical mental superpower. So here it is again, the whole 4-step method. Nice and simple. You find the deficiencies, you cross-subtract for the left side, multiply for the right side, and then join them together. Just don't forget that final crucial rule about matching the digits to the zeros in the base. You know, this really makes you wonder, doesn't it? This technique is thousands of years old, but it's so incredibly efficient. It really begs the question, what other ancient wisdom is out there, just waiting for us to rediscover it, that could completely change how we learn and think today? While we think about that, you can start mastering the skills you need for your exams right now. To really sharpen your competitive edge, head over and register at praveshexam.com. You'll get access to free government exam mock tests and some amazing AI-powered learning tools. And hey, if you found this technique helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explainers just like this one. Thanks for watching.